Got this table for $5 at a garage sale, and it is the perfect little size for my porch, but it is gross. So I'm going to take this thing apart, wash it down, and paint it. Okay, it is really stinking hot. It's like 100 degrees outside. And I did not know this, but the spray paint can says between 55 and 75 is the best time to apply it. But I gotta get this done, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my chances anyway. And I'm just using the Walmart spray paint. So it looks like this thing's been already painted green and red. And I don't know what the original color was. Looks like the original color was white. This is one of the things I'll use paper towels for, is when I want to get something super dry, like I'm drying off the inside of this table to make sure that all the water's gone so the paint will stick. I go in and get it that way. Otherwise this water is not going to go away, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go back and forth several times on this one. Ugh. I'm gonna tape off the glass. Man, I just can't believe I can't get the glass out of here. Ugh. But I just don't see how. Huh. So this is a solid piece of metal. There has to be a way they got this out. Okay, so I'm going to tape it off. Okay, that was a big pain in the butt. Ugh. Now I've got this ridge in here. So interesting, Walmart spray paint now is 10 ounces instead of 12. See if there's a simpler way to do this aside from taping everything again. Okay, this is sort of a pain in the butt. Now I know I waited 2 years to do this. Okay, we're gonna see how this turned out. Keep your fingers crossed. Okay, so I got some paint around the edges where I didn't get covered. So, taking a razor blade and just scraping it off. Okay, I have to say, this is probably one of the hardest tables I've ever redone. Holy cow. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to fix it. But let's see here. Well, okay, that doesn't look too bad actually. Okay, you can see here on the other side, underside, I got a little bit of black, and I need to touch this up, but you can see some white that didn't get done there, but I think I'm just not gonna worry about it. Okay, and I noticed here there's a felt thing. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna get the paint off, and then I'm gonna put these felt things on and paint those black too. Well, there you go. Looks way better, even though it was a pain, even if I do say so myself. I am so glad I painted it. Oh wow, okay, let's get the decorations back on. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. And here is another herb that I grow for the flower, and not necessarily the herb. This is oregano right there. Oh my, we got all kinds of things here. I'm just going to be really pollinated. But I grow the oregano for its flower, and then I do pick it, but I don't use that much oregano, so I have it if I need it, but it's just a pretty flower. Okay, Mike came running out. I'm sitting here editing a video.
I had to bring my newest thing here.
Okay, look what this is. Can you see? Can you see what this is? Do you know what this is? What is this, dear? It's July. Why are you buying Halloween decorations?
It's a dead crow mannequin. And
why are you whispering? The crows can't hear us.
It's a dead crow. I don't know why. I'm just being secretive. It's a dead crow mannequin. And we got them because...
are you looking to see if they're going to attack you?
we have a crow infestation.
By the way, he has never hit me in our entire 30-year marriage, so...
We have a crow infestation. There were like 2 of them in the neighbor's tree right by our driveway, and then pretty soon there were 4, and then there were 8, and now there's 6. Then there were 16, and now there's like whole bunches of them on our fence and in our trees and on our house.
They're eating my plants.
They were brutalizing a robin the other day, like they murdered it, and then they're just killing all the things and getting in the garden. So we're gonna get rid of them. Well, I found out that you shouldn't be like threatening them with pans and stuff, because apparently they're smart enough to
if you shoot, you better make it shoot to kill.
Yeah,
and make it
they'll
quick.
come after you. So
be ready for their friends too.
So they said that if you put a mannequin of a dead one out, they all freak out and scream and have a funeral for it, and then they all leave. So we're gonna try that and see what happens.
All right, so we'll film Mike throwing it on the roof tonight.
Yeah.
It is 10 o'clock at night, and we were getting in bed and realized we forgot to put the crows out.
Forgot to put the fake dead birds out. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. So apparently this one we can hang on the gate. How do we get it on there though?
Goodness gracious. Ugh.
This is a lot better than when the real ones die. Oh, so I wonder if we have to put some kind of wire or something around here. And the other one we're just gonna lay one on the roof, just like this. So they think it's dead. And this one will hang up on the fence rail, because those are the two places where they're most likely to see it. The idea is they don't want to hang out here anymore.
All right, let's get him hung up. A little too realistic, if you ask me. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's the ladder.
This one first?
Where are you putting it at?
Well, they're hanging right there on the corner, so I was going to lay it in the valley up there.
Valley of the Shadow of Death.
Yes.
Trying to just Jack. He got up to get a drink of water and we scared him.
The ladder's only got 3 legs on the ground.
Okay, here we go. Good night, my sonny. Please don't kill yourself.
Hope that stays up there. As windy as it gets and stuff. You never know. Alright.
No funeral?
Your comrade is dead. You don't know who he is. You never knew he was part of the family, but now that he's dead, you're going to give him a funeral.
We'll see.